So this is my Morris Minor, and I'm going to take its engine out of here and put another one in. And then I'll try to sell this one. And what you just heard was a cold startup. Nothing started since yesterday. You didn't hear any rattles. It doesn't smoke. It runs perfect. But I'm going to put an MG Midget engine in here. I'm going to go inside and show you the oil pressure. Right now, it's showing 70 pounds. If I push the choke in, still sounds good. That's at 1,000 RPM. So, that is cold, but it runs like that all the time. As you can see, there are no strange noises. Nothing wrong with this motor. Just going to walk around to the tailpipe, and you can see that there's no smoke coming out of the tailpipe.